Welcome to this CoCloud tutorial. In real projects, sharing data results with third parties is often necessary. This video will show you how to generate and manage shareable links for datasets in CoCloud. There are two ways to share a dataset. In data browsing mode, click the share icon at the top right. In data details mode, click the share button on the dataset card's right side. Choose the link's expiration period. Click Confirm, and the share link will be generated. Send this link to others, who can open it directly in their browser to view the data. Note: only project admins and members have permission to create share links. Recipients don't need to register. Opening the link in any browser lets them view the datasets 2D and 3D results along with annotations. They can freely browse and explore details but cannot edit or download the data. Project or dataset admins can access share management to see all past shares. Link expiration dates and sharer info. Links can be revoked anytime to protect data security. With CoCloud's sharing and permission controls, you can easily collaborate while keeping your data safe and accessible.